This week I'm testing the Audi A3 Sportback. It's a small 5-seater hatch. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the Audi A3 Sportback, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. Now they're really nice Isofix in plastic guides, and you just push the little hatch back and you can slot them in really nice and easily. Now the top tether anchorages are on the back of all three seats, and they're really nice and easy to connect to through the boot too. I can fit two Infasecure child seats in the back here. I've got the Attain more rear facing and the Aspire more forward facing. You could get two rear facing or two forward facing nicely in the back here. We found with legroom with a rear facing child seat, we could get about a 180 centimetre passenger in front, which is good for a small little hatch like this. And on the driver's side with a forward facing child seat, we could get a 186 centimetre driver. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the links here. In the back of the Audi A3 Sportback, there's a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. And the door bins are a good size in the back. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle. Now this is the bottom spec model, and it does have aircon vents in the back, which is fantastic news for rear passengers in keeping them nice and comfortable while you're driving. In the front, the storage is good too. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and there's a slot between them where you can store your phone. There's also a phone charging well in front of the gears and two USB-C sockets there too. There's a very small central console box for storage as well. The glove box is a good size in here. That would hold a wallet and iPad in there. And the door bins are a good size too. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. The boot door of the Audi A3 Sportback opens manually and nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin pram with no shopping bags, a tandem pram with 2 shopping bags, a single pram with 2 shopping bags, a compact stroller with 7 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog.
The Audi A3 Sportback is a really nice car to drive. I find it really nice and nippy and just fuss-free with my 2 kids in the back, or with our little family of 4. It's nice around town, nice and small, so that turning circle's small, easy to park and manoeuvre in school and supermarket car parks. Visibility is really good in here. I've got 2 child seats in the back, and I can see really well out of all the windows. It's just a really nice, nippy, fun little car. The media system in the Audi A3 Sportback is a really lovely and modern and simple to use. It's got lots of nice features in there. It's got sat nav, it's got a weather forecast, it's got Apple CarPlay as well. Now when you put it into reverse, the camera images are really nice and clear, and you can customize some things in here too, like the volume of the sensors, and you can turn rear cross traffic on and off as well. So to sum up with the Audi A3 Sportback, it's a really nice little nip in and get and go car. I've really enjoyed going about with my kids in the back this week. You can get those 2 Infasecure child seats nicely in the back. A twin pram also fits in the boot if you need it to, and that boot drops down, which is a really nice feature. The media system is great, and as I said, it's a really nice car to drive just for easy nipping around town driving.